Number 16, get started. It means to begin doing something.
Let's get started on the project right away. Let's get started on the project right away. He got started with his homework early. He got started with his homework early. They got started late but finished on time. They got started late but finished on time.
Number 17, get upset. It means to become distressed or agitated.
She gets upset over small things. She gets upset over small things. Don't get upset if things don't go as planned. Don't get upset if things don't go as planned. He got upset during the discussion. He got upset during the discussion.
Number 18, get violent. It means to become physically aggressive.
The protest got violent after the altercation. The protest got violent after the altercation. He can get violent when he's angry. He can get violent when he's angry. Situations can get violent without proper management. Situations can get violent without proper management.
Number 19, get in someone's way. It means to obstruct or hinder someone.
Please move, you're getting in everyone's way. Please move, you're getting in everyone's way. He got in her way while she was cleaning. He got in her way while she was cleaning. Don't get in my way when I'm cooking. Don't get in my way when I'm cooking.
Number 20, get off on the wrong foot. It means to start a relationship or interaction poorly.
We got off on the wrong foot yesterday. We got off on the wrong foot yesterday. It's hard when you get off on the wrong foot. It's hard when you get off on the wrong foot. Let's not get off on the wrong foot with them. Let's not get off on the wrong foot with them.